But suppose we want to create a quiz having 100 questions or more than that, it is very difficult to add questions the way which I have demonstrated just now, because for every question we need to give a name, ID number, text, feedback, then we need to type the options one by one. We need to tell what is the correct answer. That way it is very difficult to create questions like that. But suppose you are typing a mathematical equation, or suppose you want to have a quiz where we have very complicated equations, then it is always a good practice to create questions like that, because we have very good editors there. Otherwise, I will show you how you can create quizzes in a simpler way, where we can create question banks. And I'll show you just one way of creating questions in a bulk manner. And this is a sample question created for a question bank, and this format is called the aiken format. And in a text file, we need to create the questions exactly the same way in the aiken format, and later all those questions can be saved as a text file, and it can be uploaded into the Moodle system as a question bank. So this way, large number of questions can be uploaded into Moodle system in one stretch, and we don't have to manage the questions one by one, and later it can be offered as a quiz activity. And for this, please be careful about creating this, because this template, the structure is very essential. We have to maintain this structure, and it is very important, where this is how we create the questions in aiken format. You have to type the question in one line, and even if it exceeds one line, it's okay, you keep on typing. Plus, please don't press the enter key, you just keep on typing the question, and after that you leave one line, then you type the first option. It is like this: a capital A dot space the option, then capital B dot space the option, capital C dot space the option, D space the option. So all these option names A, B, C, D, all this have to be in capital. Then we have to type answer, and which is the answer of this question. So again, be very careful about this. This answer has to be in capital. Then a space, answer, colon, a space, then the option. So this way you prepare questions, maybe 200, 300, thousands of questions like this, save it, and later we can upload this to a question bank. And how we can upload this to a question bank, I will show you just now from this text file. For that, we will see, we are once again back to Moodle, and then in Moodle course which you want to work with. Now I am going to show you how we can upload a question bank into Moodle. And for that, now we have opened a course, and the question bank which we are uploading, it will be associated with this course, this particular course. And this we have to keep it in mind, because the questions we upload, it is not uploaded into the Moodle system, it is uploaded into the course which we are working with. Here we have to go open this edit button, and we need to go to again this more options, where we have the question bank. So here when we go to this more option, we can see question bank. Then we need to say import questions. So I am going to import the questions which we have saved. Then this many different formats and variety of question types are available, and the one which we have just demonstrated, it is called the aiken format. Then I select the aiken format. Then we need to select the file where we have created the questions in text format, and I am going to locate that file. So we have to choose the file from here. Then I am going to select the file. I'm going to select the file. Then this, it is a text file. Then so this is the file which we have created just now. So I have opened that file. Then I go to this upload this file. Now that question bank is being uploaded into Moodle, then I say import. So when we import this, if the questions are exactly in the format supported by Moodle, you can see all those questions are listed here. Now these questions are uploaded and it is being displayed and it is being uploaded to Moodle and it is available so that you can use it in any quiz. Now the question bank part is over. Now we are continuing. And after this, suppose we create a quiz. So I go to my course and from my course, suppose I create a new quiz. So add an activity or resource and I create a new quiz. So new quiz is created. Add this quiz is added to my course. Then the quiz name is quiz from question bank. Quiz from question bank. So the description also I keep the same. Then timing, grade, everything we can set as I have, but I'm just saving and returning to course. So now a new quiz is added, quiz from question bank. I press here so that I can edit the quiz. While I edit the quiz, I can add questions into this. So I go to add from a question bank. So this I'm going to add it from the question bank. Now you can see all the questions I have added from that text document. It is being listed here. So the questions which I want to select, I just select and add the selected questions to quiz. So it is added. So we don't have to type question by question like that. And finally, suppose you want to add few random questions. So that also you can select add random questions from a existing category. So this default for Moodle. Then how many questions we want to add, that we can decide the number of random questions. So suppose you want to have another 4 questions on a random basis. So please, I am just showing this together, but in a quiz, if you are adding random questions, it is always a good practice to have a new quiz where you can have questions on a random basis. But just I am showing this to you just to show you how to add random questions. So now the remaining 4 questions will be on a random basis selected from the question bank. So this is how we add questions from a question bank, as well as we add questions on a random basis. So we have saved this. And if you want to see the preview, now the quiz is saved. And if you want to see the preview from the quiz, you can see the preview. So this is my quiz. This is my quiz from the question bank. And if I select here preview, you can see how the students will be seeing this. Then attempt the quiz now. Okay,